Hello, I'm Andrew Flushy. I'm your Virginia traffic attorney. One question that I get week in and week out is how you can expunge old tickets from your record in Virginia. Unfortunately, the answer is that you can't. Virginia's expungement law is extremely limited, and unfortunately, the law only allows you to expunge cases that were dismissed or where you were found not guilty. So this applies in cases where you were charged with something and the judge actually said, no, you're not guilty of this, then that's ripe for expungement. The other type of expungement could be if the case was declined to prosecute by the Commonwealth for some kind of reason. But in those cases, it can be tricky because the Commonwealth can get involved in the expungement, and if the charge was dropped due to some type of plea agreement or some kind of terms you were put on, such as good behavior or driving school or community service, then the Commonwealth is likely going to object to the expungement. The idea under Virginia law is that expungement is really reserved for the truly innocent, so for people whose charges actually had no grounds for conviction. They were essentially errant charges. And that's the idea of expungement in Virginia, is that it's really for innocent situations. It's not for situations in Virginia where you were actually found guilty or you actually could have been found guilty of the offense, but got some type of first offender disposition, for example. So if you have a case where you think you were found not guilty or your case was dismissed under some kind of situation where you might be able for expungement, contact me today so we can see if I can help you.